Now, Nigeria's new tax law is not really just about what you owe, right? It also rewards you if you are building in the right sectors, right? Now, as we enter 2026, if your business qualifies for any of these tax incentives, you could legally pay 0 naira in your CIT or enjoy reduced rates for years. Here is what's on the table in Nigerian tax 2026. You want to stay to the end to watch this video. Now, first things first, what is tax incentive? When I say tax incentive, it means like it's a legal way to reduce, defer, or eliminate your tax liability because the government wants your business to grow. Under sections 110 to 124 of the Nigerian Tax Act 2025, this relieves exemptions or tax incentive actually exists to support SMEs, right? Exporters, companies reinvesting in profits, right? Companies that are reinvesting profit. Now, just creating businesses. Now, let's talk about the SME exemption. That's for small companies. So if your turnover, if you are not doing up to a particular threshold, which I've talked about, the threshold I talked about in the capital gain tax, right? You are not required to pay CIT or the 4% BDL level, right? But you must still file annual returns. You still have to file. Now, this gives you the breathing space to grow. Use it wisely. Make sure you use it wisely. Don't say because you are not paying tax, that you're not paying for CIT, you're not going to file. No. What other thing that I want to mention? Investment allowance. So companies that reinvest profits into new equipment, also benefit from this. So now, this is useful for manufacturers, logistic, agro-processing companies, that they are putting back their profit into the business. So that is another way you can, reduce your tax. Now, you can also have 3 to 5 years CIT break for sectors like if you're into mining industry, chemicals, waste processing, etc. So this apply through. So you need to apply through NIPC, that's Investment Promotion Commission. Let's say a logistics startup reinvesting their profits into new delivery trucks and warehouse like that. Now, let's give a figure of a turnover of 40 million naira, a profit of 8 million naira, and maybe the CIT is about 1.6 million. But now they invest 10 million into the new infrastructure, right? Now they get 10%, which is 1 million off an investment allowance. So the new CIT will be 600,000, not the 1.6 million. Do you understand? Now, if you are paying full tax and not using all the incentives I've mentioned about, it is not honesty, it is poor planning. So don't say you are being honest. So you have to be smart. Smart companies earn, reinvest, and reduce their taxable impact. So tax is not just a bill, it's also a strategy. Right, so tomorrow we are going to be talking about development levy. I mean, when I recorded this video, let me just leave that. So no one told you about how it can replace your old taxes and that you used to pay. I mean, I really like the fact that they consolidated so many taxes into one and make it just BDL, the business development levy. All right, so watch out for tomorrow's video. Share with your friend if you haven't. Follow this page if you are not following us. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, share with your friends, okay? I will see you tomorrow.